This is Michael Graves from Singing from Scratch, and I'm going to show you how to sing. But
I've stringing us along.
You raise me on that path we'll stomp. Welcome to Singing from Scratch. I'm Michael Graves. I'm a professional singer and the developer of the Singing from Scratch vocal method. I want to ask you a few questions to see if this course is right for you. Do you find that no matter how much you practice, you're just not hitting the right notes or being pitchy, as it's commonly known? Are you having trouble staying in key with the song or the instruments you're singing along with, or the singers you're singing along with for that matter? Do you lack confidence in yourself and your voice when singing? Do you find you're not making as much progress as you think you should be? Are you just not happy with your vocal tone or the way your voice sounds? Have you searched and searched but just can't find the secret formula that makes the pros sound so good? Well, these are just a few of the problems that are addressed and handled in this course. So if you answered yes to one or more of these questions, my course is right for you. If you want to learn how to master pitch and the art of singing and sing like the pros do, then this is how you do it. There are only 6 core elements to singing. There are only 6 core elements that make up every singer that ever was. Once you have a grasp and a foundation of these 6 core elements, then you can take any other singing lessons or information and get 100% of the value you were supposed to get out of them in the first place. In fact, if you nail these 6 core elements, you'll most likely find you don't need a lot or any of the lessons. You'll be able to figure out all the tricks and secrets on your own just by listening and practicing using the techniques found in this course. Everything that ever was or is that has to do with singing and being a singer is based on those 6 core elements of singing. Period. I'm so confident that I can help you that I'm offering a money back, no questions asked guarantee. You can honestly tell me that you haven't started establishing a rock solid foundation of the basics of singing, I'll refund your money. I'm not interested in you wasting any more of your hard-earned money, and I'm not interested in getting paid if you're not getting results. Well, that about wraps it up. So go ahead and sign up for Singing from Scratch right now, and I'll see you on the inside.